In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up frequency presets on your QRX200. This is a quick way of changing to frequencies that you use often. So we're going to start by setting the preset frequencies. From the home page, hold down until the extended menu pops up. Press the down button one more time to get to your channel presets menu. You can have 16 different preset frequencies. Just use the up or down arrow to select the frequency you want. To move to the next preset, just press the menu button. To get to your preset frequencies, just go to your frequency menu and scroll all the way down. Once you get down to the lowest frequency, 512 MHz, you'll then enter into your preset frequencies.